Jury in the above entitled cause find the defendant, Mecky Gayano, guilty of the crime of murder in the first degree.
That verdict could keep Mecky Gayano in prison for life. He was found guilty of the shooting death of Oceanside police officer Dan Besson. But Gayano's sentencing has been delayed, in part because the judge needs to make sure that all tape-recorded police interviews were given to his lawyer before the trial started.
We could show that perhaps the statements were coerced. Maybe the officers who were interrogating the suspect used improper procedures, and that could form the basis of a legal challenge to the statements that were made.
Oceanside police officer Damon Smith has been tape recording witness and suspect interviews perhaps since he joined the department 8 years ago. But unlike other officers, Smith apparently kept those tapes in his locker and never submitted them as evidence. It came to light last month when another defense attorney learned during trial that Smith had tape recorded interviews with witnesses.
And I was given an opportunity to listen to the tape, and based off of what was on the tape, it contradicted the earlier testimony at trial by several witnesses.
That sparked an investigation by Oceanside Police and the district attorney. Oceanside Police say there's no evidence Officer Smith was trying to hide the tapes, and it was more likely an innocent mistake.
It's just a way that he was making sure if he had any type of complaints lodged against him, he had that information on tape.
But those tapes are now an issue in the murder of Dan Besson and tens, even hundreds of other criminal cases. Still, one attorney says Officer Smith did the right thing by answering truthfully when asked about tape recordings.
It would have been a very easy thing for him to get on the stand and lie about it, and we would have never known. Or for him to go back to his office and destroy the tapes.